Hello everyone, it's Matt Chafe back with another video. This time we're in beautiful Maddox Cove. It's a Sunday morning, -2, nice sunny skies. We are going to look at a property, one of my properties actually. It's a four unit property, three 2-bedroom units and one bedroom unit. We bought this property probably 3.5 years ago now. It was in pretty bad shape. Since we bought it, we've been doing a lot of renovations on it, both inside and out. We have one half of the building, basically the right side, is now fully 100% renovated, right from the studs out. Electrical, plumbing, new drywall, new insulation, new appliances, everything. It's fully done. This summer we did windows, doors, siding for the full building. Still some little touch-ups that need to be done. We gotta add a couple of lights outside, but nothing too much. Right now we're working on the second half of the building. We have one unit, the downstairs unit, which we'll go in and have a look at. We have that one pretty much torn out now, right to the studs. Let's get out and take a look, see what kind of progress we're making, and see if we can give you guys some ideas on how you can create a project like this of your own. As you can see, we have our dumpster here, pretty much full. We're gonna have to get that one taken away. We installed a new set of concrete stairs and a walkway, which turned out really nice. Before it was just pretty much just grass and made it slippery in the summer, slippery in the winter. It was hard to shovel. Now it's much easier to clean and keep the snow away. So we'll just take a look inside the basement unit that we are currently renovating. As you can see, it's pretty much all torn out. The gyprock here was fine, so we had no reason to tear it out. There's no plumbing, no electrical we needed to change in here. We installed new insulation, soundproof insulation. The rock wool stuff, it's really good for soundproofing. Here's one bedroom. Again, just about all finished with insulation. New windows. Beautiful view of the ocean here right from the bedroom. Small closet. Here's our bathroom, fully torn out. So we'll come back and put a new tub and shower, new vanity. Here's another bedroom. Again, soundproofing, insulation all in. Almost completed. We still have a little bit more to take out there, the older stuff. Nice big closet here. And finally, here's our kitchen, which has all been torn out. The cabinets weren't too bad, so we'll put these ones back, clean them up, give them some paint, and just reinstall them. As you can see, the insulation is not done here on the ceiling yet. We have some plumbing to do. So basically we have the majority of the plumbing done in PEX, as you can see in the wall. There's still some copper that needs to be torn out up here. So once we get this little bit of copper torn out, that'll be the whole building fully done in PEX. So there we have it. That is pretty much it for the BRRRR project. This is our current 4-unit building. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I'm more than happy to have a chat about it and help you out the best I can on your real estate investment journey. Take care. Have a good day.